Well, it's Tech for Hire. I believe he's going to bore us again with his bullshit.
Warning. Tech for Hire is an internet personality and is not a certified mechanic. Please consult a licensed professional before attempting what you are about to view. Tech for Hire is not responsible for any damages or loss of life.
Tech for Hire here. Originally I was going to do this really cool, like snap your fingers and magically I'm going to have my new pipe done. Well, it didn't quite work out that way. Why? One, I got sick, so I'm not feeling very well, hence why I look like shit. But two, it took a little bit longer than I expected, so I wasn't smart enough to stage the whole back area the same way that the other one was. But in any case, here we go. Here is the new pipe. It's absolutely awesome. It looks spectacular. If you look at that coating, oh, it's just so beautiful. Absolutely flawless. So, as I mentioned before, I got sick. So, for some of you, you're going to be very, very happy. I'm not going to be talking throughout this video. But what I'm going to go ahead and do right now is we're going to install these bad boys onto our 2017 Triumph bobber. So let's get started. Now you're probably asking yourself, why are you taking off the gas tank? Well, I'll tell you. Reason being is in order to get your headers off, you have the O2 sensor. The O2 sensor runs up underneath the gas tank up here at the front. So you at least have to move the gas tank up and back a little bit to get to those lines. Figured I might as well tell you. That's one side. Let's move on to the other side. plug in the O2 sensors, and we're ready to test it out and see what it sounds like. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the long-awaited exhaust system for this Triumph. The stock exhaust system is 80 decibels. This is way louder than that. It sounds completely awesome. I believe, hands down, this is the best exhaust system for this bike. It does not sound like a motorcycle at all. It's got a low growl to it. It doesn't pop on deceleration. It's a raspy growl to this thing. I will have videos on my next moto vlog. You will hear it, actually me riding. It'll probably sound a lot better. I took this thing around the block. It sounds bitching. So hopefully the audio quality on this new GoPro that I bought is great, so you can actually hear it and hear that guttural, nasty sound out of this thing. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please check out my other videos. I got tons of them out there now. I got a huge smile on my face because this thing sounds fucking awesome. So anyways, until next time.